In the misty, verdant lands of ancient Gaelic Scotland, a tale unfolds, a tale woven from the fabric of Celtic mythology. The year was 900 AD, the time of the High Kings, when the world was still young and the veil between the mortal realm and the otherworld was but a whisper away. In the heart of the ancient Caledonian Forest, the enchanted glade of Fionavar lay hidden, a realm of ethereal beauty and ancient magic. It was here that the tales of the Tuatha Dé Danann, the children of the goddess Danu, were born. The Tuatha Dé Danann, beings of supernatural grace and power, were the guardians of the otherworld. They were the embodiment of the ancient Celtic pantheon, their names whispered in hushed tones by frightened villagers and revered by the brave. One day, a crisis arose. The otherworld was in turmoil, a war brewing between the Tuatha Dé Danann and the Fomorians, a race of monstrous beings. The balance of power was at stake, and with it, the very fabric of the world. The High King, Luff, called upon his bravest warriors, the Fianna, to journey to the otherworld and restore balance. Among them was Finn Mac Cumhaill, the greatest hero of his time, and his band of loyal companions. They crossed the Vale, entering the enchanted glade of Fionavar. The air was thick with magic, the trees whispering tales of ancient battles and lost love. The Fianna, undeterred, pressed on, ready to face whatever challenges lay ahead. In the heart of the otherworld, they found a world akin to their own, yet twisted and darkened by the looming threat of the Fomorians. They fought valiantly, their swords flashing in the moonlight as they battled the monstrous horde. The battle was fierce, a clash of ancient magic and mortal courage. Finn, with his legendary sword, Gí Balg, led the charge, his comrades fighting by his side. In the end, it was their determination and courage that won the day, the Fomorians defeated and the balance restored. The Fianna returned to their world, hailed as heroes. The enchanted glade of Fionavar remained, a testament to their bravery and the enduring power of the Celtic pantheon. The tale of their journey was sung for centuries, a testament to the strength of the human spirit and the magic that lies within us all. And so, the legend of the Fianna lives on, a beacon of courage and determination in the face of adversity, a reminder of the power of the human spirit and the magic that lies within us all. The enchanted glade of Fionavar, the heart of Celtic mythology, remains a symbol of hope and resilience, a testament to the enduring power of legend and the strength of the human spirit.